What's up guys, so the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite is finally here and today I'm about to do speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite and the Xiaomi Mi 10T. You can see the pink color is giving a very attractive look. So let's see the gaming performance of the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite and the Mi 10T. As on the Mi 11 Lite we get Snapdragon 732G chip and 6GB of RAM, while on the Mi 10T we get Snapdragon 865 chip and 8GB of RAM, which is a bit expensive than the Mi 11 Lite. So let's see which one of them is going to perform better than the other one in gaming applications. So as always, starting from the boot up test, and here we go. Now let's see which one of them is going to perform better than the other one. The Mi 11 Lite is also very slim and handy compared to Mi 10T, and also the Mi 11 Lite comes with AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. Well, you can see the first boot up test won by the Mi 10T, and the Mi 11 Lite is still taking some time, and I think it's going to be a huge difference and I was not expecting it. Well, as you guys saw here, I think it was about 6 to 7 second difference between the Mi 11 Lite and the Mi 10T in a first boot up test. Okay, so now we have arrived at the application portion of the speed test, but before going into that, you guys can see both are connected to the same Wi-Fi connection, and also everything is completely turned off on the background. So starting from some basic applications, and here we go. Well, you can see it was quicker there on the Mi 10T, and again this one goes to the right side. Well, the difference is very clear till now because this one has also won by the Xiaomi Mi 10T. Now coming to the third party applications to see the real difference between the Mi 11 Lite and the Mi 10T. Okay guys, so it was a quick speed test between the Mi 11 Lite and the Xiaomi Mi 10T, And as you guys saw here, the gaming performance of both smartphones, actually the Mi 11 Lite played very well, I would say, because its starting point I was very disappointed from the Mi 11 Lite gaming performance, but after that the Mi 11 Lite played very well and made a comeback into the speed test. Now the choice is yours, but if you want me to recommend any of them, then I will say if your budget is around $250, then you should definitely go for the Mi 11 Lite in 2021 compared to other mid-range smartphone. But if your budget is around $350, then I will recommend the Mi 10T because it is itself a beast and it have got powerful chipset compared to Mi 11 Lite. But at the end, you guys are here to judge, so I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section about both smartphones. Okay guys, it was all from us for today. Make sure to subscribe our channel and give thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching us, and as always, keep supporting us.